This Auto Transform offer is a complimentary car wash with every vehicle fit out. So behind us here we have a client's vehicle that's ready for delivery, and Jeff and I will show you how this wash is done. No scrubbing involved, just spray on and spray off. First of all, we rinse the vehicle with water. Then comes the fun part, we foam it.
And then we hose it off.
Thanks for watching, and this is a great demonstration of how Auto Transform add value to our customers. For more information, please call Auto Transform on 09 5800 477 or visit us on the website autotransform.co.nz. Thank you.